In the delightful world of pet fails, nothing is quite as amusing as a sudden sneeze. Animals are known for their dramatic reactions, and when that sneeze hits, well, it's pure comedy gold. Picture a cat ready to pounce, only to be interrupted by an unexpected sneeze, sending it tumbling right off the couch. Or a dog trying to impress its owner, only to sneeze mid-bark, resulting in a confused expression and a head tilt. And let's not forget about the pets who leap into action but misjudge their landing because they couldn't hold back that sneeze. Whether it's furry friends or scaly sidekicks, you won't be able to contain your laughter as they showcase their sneeze fails.